The Bible, the most sold, most banned, most debated book in human history. But here's the question, is it real? Or is it the greatest deception ever told? Millions live by its words, others reject it as fiction. But what if I told you, the truth is stranger than both? The Bible claims to be the Word of God, not a book about God, but the voice of God Himself. It speaks of creation, resurrection, prophecy, and eternity. But how can we test something that big? Critics say it's full of contradictions, scholars say it's historically unmatched. But here's what the evidence shows: 66 books, 40 authors, over 1,500 years, and yet one unified story. There are encoded patterns in the original Hebrew and Greek texts, names that predict the future, numbers that shouldn't be there, unless someone put them there. Science changes every decade, but the Bible, thousands of years old, still standing. When science finally caught up with the Bible, it confirmed what was written long ago: the earth hangs on nothing. Life is in the blood. The universe had a beginning. The real question isn't, is the Bible real? It's this: if it is, what does that mean for you? Because if it's true, then you're not just an accident, you're chosen, you're loved, and you're called. Don't take my word for it, read it for yourself, one chapter, one night, let it speak. The Bible isn't fake, it's fire, and once it touches you, you'll never be the same. Like if you've ever questioned, share if you're ready for the truth. Subscribe for more of what they won't tell you.